Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Tutorial Pathshala. Myself Hitesh, and today we are moving to our next multiple choice question from acid, base and salt. The question is, when aqueous solution of acid and base are mixed, what will happen? The options are no reaction occurs. The second is a new acid and base form. The third is an acid and salt form, and fourth is a salt and water form. Okay, before letting you to the option, those who know, what my mean to say is, how will judge which option is accurate? It's not about just letting or just thinking about this option is correct and we can select it, because once we have a multiple choice question, there are lots of options which are interrelated. So firstly we need to know what is the question. It is saying that an acid in aqueous solution and a base in aqueous solution combine to form what? Okay. Now we all know about acid and base when we study. The property of acid is it produce H plus ion, and for base it produce OH negative ion. You know these things. Acid sour in taste, base bitter in taste, as base has soapy touch. Acid occurs in two forms, strong and weak acid. Similarly, base occurs in two forms, strong and weak base. Acid produce H plus ion, okay, and base produce OH minus ion, or it is called hydrogen ion or hydroxyl ion. Hydrogen ion. Okay. When they combine together, what will happen? That this hydroxyl and hydrogen ion combines to each other and they form water. So one product in the solution in the output is water. The first thing you have to know, let me see in which option water is there. No. Acid and base, no. Acid and salt, no. And salt and water. So this might be a correct answer. Let me complete the question. It is saying acid and base combine to form which type of product. Now when from an acid, like if I take example HCl, if hydrogen is reduced, what will happen? There is Cl negative, and similarly any of KOH or NaOH or any base you can select. If we reduce OH negative from the compound, what will happen? What is remaining? It's K plus. When K plus combined with Cl minus or any positive identity combined with chlorine or any negative identity, it produce a salt. We all know in general formula, acid react with base to get neutral and they form salt and water. So by this theory you can select the fourth option is correct. When aqueous solution of acid and base are mixed, they form salt and water in the solution. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe and share.